In this video, I will show you how to update Play Store app in Android. So let's get started. It's quick and easy to update the Play Store app on your Android device. Keeping Play Store app on your Android device up to date ensures you have access to the latest Android features and security updates. First, open Play Store app on your Android device. Now tap your profile icon located at the top right side. Next, tap Settings. On Settings page, tap About. This will expand the About option. At the bottom, you will find Play Store version. In case this is not updated, then you will get a link Update Play Store. Just tap on the update link and within short time, Google Play Store will be updated. So that is how you can update Play Store app in Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.